we talked again precision upgrade kits. This one specifically revolved around planters. So in this episode, I talked with Colin Arts, an account manager out of one of our South Dakota locations, and Colin and I discussed, just the basics of what is a precision upgrade kit for a planter. What does it look like? Who can it benefit? And how do we go about ordering one of those or making the decision to order one? So I encourage you, go back out, listen to episode 199 on precision upgrade kits for planters. Why would a customer go the route of precision upgrade kit versus buying or ordering a brand new planter, or maybe going on the hunt or having you hunt for a used machine? Where is the value to a customer when we talk precision upgrade kits for planters?
I'd say that probably the number one advantage of it is the cost. It's significantly a lot cheaper than ordering a whole new planter because, like I say, you're utilizing your equipment that you already have. The other side of it would be, we just got off of times of shortage of inventory and everything like that, and we were allocated only so many brand new complete units that customers had to look at different options to be able to keep up with times, keep up with technology, and have their farm grow as successful as possible.
This really opens the door to allow customers to get into that technology, that newer technology. Maybe they have that 2015 bar that they bought brand new in 2015. They've really enjoyed it. They're happy with it. They know what maintenance has been done to it. But here we are in 2024, moving into model year 2025 planter orders here shortly. It's a 10-year-old planter. They want newer technology, and this really opens that door to get them there. The next thing I want to talk about, Colin, is when you order a puck, whatever level it may be, what do we get in that puck kit? How does it come to the dealership from the factory?
So basically, you look at it as like a menu. You look at the menu as far as how you want the planter to be built. There's so many different variations and options of how these pucks can be sent to us and installed on the planter. Basically, all said and done with, you're going to basically get everything from the bar back. There are some things that you could utilize from your old planter, such as like gauge wheels or closing wheels assemblies, different things like that. But you're essentially going to get new parallel arms, new downforce, new shank, and then new meters, and then all electronic cabling.
So if this is a full-blown meter upgrade, we're not just getting a meter to slap on the iron that we already have. We're getting new iron with this?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we have to have new iron just because of the capability, the size, the fitting of all of the new meters and everything, plus the speeds that we could potentially be going. They're a lot more durable and stronger than what they have been in the past. That's why we're updating everything.
You are pretty much getting a brand new planter. You're not getting the hydraulic hoses, and you're not getting the bar, and I suppose the wheels, the transport wheels, the wing wheels, things like that is staying the same. But other than that, the components that really, really matter, it's all coming brand new when you order one of these, is what I'm understanding.
Yeah, you're exactly right. You're basically getting a new planter bolted onto your bar. Probably the number one thing is basically you got to pick your speed you want to go, if you will. There's MaxeMerge 5E, which is an electronic drive, Pro Series, Pro Max 40, that's, if you will, kind of what you've been used to kind of meter, your standard speed. It's got a seed tube with the drop in it. So that's one selection. The other side would be going up to an ExactEmerge, where you're getting the precision, you're getting a brush belt, you're getting delivery of the seed right down to the seed trench and capabilities of up to 10 mile an hour. After that, you can pick and choose different things from there. Again, if you want to use your old gauge wheels, you can keep your old gauge wheels. If you want to update to new ones, you're like, hey, maybe I want to go with spoke gauge wheels. You can get spoke gauge wheels. If you like, that 10-year-old bar, your row cleaners on there are maybe not up to date, we can get a whole pneumatic adjustable row cleaner set up for the front of it bolted on. We can get closing wheel assemblies. We can get pneumatic closing wheels. Just a huge whole gamut of options that you can get.
Now, some of those options are, we need to have kind of that major upgrade prior to those little individual options. Is that right?
For sure.
Customer does that. They decide, okay, this is what I want to do. These are the components that I want. How is it coming to us, and how is this whole process kind of finishing up?
Now, you're basically coming in and ordering it just like you are a brand new planter. It's going to come with a serial number. Your planter is going to get a new serial number. That's going to reference all of the new components that you have on it. So they'll come to us delivered from the store. Usually they'll fully complete 2 row units on a pallet at a time, and then a few extra boxes with all the wiring harnesses and new controllers inside of that.
So that makes it very easy for the customer to be able to get what they need. We get it installed for them, or I guess they can install it if they so choose. But that's kind of the process, like you said, getting a new planter.
Yeah, you're ordering a new planter. It's essentially getting here. All the units show up. We get in contact with the customer. We tell them, hey, bring your old planter in. The customer has the option to take off, strip off as much of that bar that he wants to maybe potentially keep or get rid of, or we can do it all complete. And then we just start adding components back onto the planter, almost like an assembly line.